2019 Volkswagen Touareg. Volkswagen presented the completely redeveloped Touareg in China, the flagship of the brand, equipped with the connectivity of a new era and the pioneering fusion of assistance, comfort, lighting and infotainment systems. The Volkswagen Touareg points the way to the future. At the same time, the exclusive SUV charges up its market segment with pure dynamism. The largest markets for what is now the third generation of the Touareg are China, Europe and Russia. Worldwide sales of the previous two generations amount to nearly 1 million units. The Volkswagen Touareg, as comfortable as it is dynamic, has, as the most technically advanced Volkswagen of its era, the potential to enthuse technology and design-savvy drivers of premium-class models of all sorts, reaching new target groups as well. Premiere of the InnoVision cockpit. Volkswagen is presenting the fully digitalized InnoVision cockpit for the first time in the new Touareg. Here the digital instruments, digital cockpit with 12-inch display, and the top Discover premium infotainment system, with 15-inch display, merge to form a digital operating, information, communication and entertainment unit that hardly needs any conventional buttons or switches. Always on, offering intuitive control and maximum personalization with the InnoVision cockpit. The Volkswagen Touareg provides the blueprint for tomorrow's digital interior today. A focus on people. Drivers use the InnoVision cockpit to adapt the assistance, handling and comfort systems to their personal tastes. The car becomes their Touareg. This opens up a world in which the driver and onboard guests no longer have to adapt to the car, rather the car adapts to them. Like a new smartphone, the Volkswagen is set up and tuned to personal needs. This is made possible by a new high level of connected systems and programs, controlled via digital interfaces and the multi-function steering wheel. Fusion of new assistance, handling and comfort systems. The VW Touareg is launching with the largest range of assistance, handling and comfort systems ever to be integrated into a Volkswagen. They include technologies such as the night vision assistance system, detects people and animals in darkness via a thermal imaging camera, roadwork lane assist, semi-automated steering and lane keeping, accelerating and braking up to 60 km/h. Front cross-traffic assist, reacts to cross-traffic in front of the Touareg. Active all-wheel steering, makes the Touareg handle like a compact car. Neural stabilization with electromechanically controlled anti-roll bars and IQ light, LED matrix headlights, interactive, camera-based dipped and main beam headlight control, and the windshield head-up display projected directly into the windscreen. The driver experiences these systems as a single unit in the new Volkswagen Touareg. They are simply there, interconnected via a new central controlled unit, working imperceptibly in the background and making travel safer, more convenient and more intuitive than ever. New dimensions and reduced weight compared to its predecessor. The third-generation Touareg is moderately wider and longer. The new dimensions have positive effects on both the vehicle's proportions and its amount of interior space. The added exterior length leads, for example, to a significantly larger luggage compartment. Its capacity has increased from 697 to 810 liters, with rear bench seat up. Cargo there is hidden from onlookers by an optional electrically extending and retracting luggage compartment cover. Despite its increased length and width, the car body is 106 kilograms lighter because of its mixed material construction of aluminium, 48%, and high-tech steels, 52%.